If you're looking to train your customer service team to be more efficient, responsive, and engaging, CrankWheel is one powerful tool that can help. But how exactly do you train your team to use it effectively? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. Stick around because not only will I show you how to use CrankWheel for training, but I'll also introduce a better alternative at the end of the video that you won't want to miss. So, first things first, CrankWheel is a screen sharing software designed specifically for customer service teams. Its big selling point is that it allows agents to instantly share their screen with customers without needing them to install anything. This is great because it streamlines the process of helping customers, cutting down on friction, and making the experience much smoother for everyone involved. Next thing, training your team to use CrankWheel is simple. The first step is getting them comfortable with the platform itself. You can start by walking through the basic setup, which only takes a few minutes. When agents are familiar with the interface and where everything is located, the real magic happens. You want your team to know how to launch a session quickly. CrankWheel makes this easy with its one-click session start, so agents don't have to waste time figuring out how to initiate a call. The third thing, communication, is key. While using CrankWheel, agents need to communicate clearly with customers. Make sure your team understands how to explain what's happening on their screen as they share it, and how to guide customers through different steps. When training your team, role-playing different scenarios with real-time screen sharing will help them get comfortable with walking customers through complicated issues. The fourth thing is utilizing the call to action features in CrankWheel. These are features like the ability to directly hand over control of the screen to a customer for troubleshooting or for showing them how to use a feature. When training, encourage agents to practice these handovers with one another so they're prepared when they need to use them in real calls. Next, you'll want to focus on the analytics CrankWheel provides. CrankWheel has a pretty solid reporting feature, allowing you to review call data and see how long agents spend on calls, how effective those calls were, and where they could improve. Make sure your team knows how to interpret this data so they can make adjustments and improve their performance over time. But here's the thing, while CrankWheel is a solid choice, there are other alternatives out there that might serve your team even better. In fact, I've found a solution that provides more features geared toward improving the overall customer experience and service quality. These alternatives also come with free trials, and through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive benefits. So if you're looking for a more comprehensive tool to train your customer service team, one that has a bit more flexibility and higher quality support options, be sure to check out the link in the description. You'll get the best free trial possible and access to tools that can really take your team to the next level. Don't just stop at CrankWheel, explore the options, and I promise, you'll see how these alternatives can make a bigger impact on your customer service training.